Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Sandeep Satish Shevare from CM third year. My roll number is 176163. First of all, let me introduce to you about our project. We are total 6 members in our group. We get a sponsor project of website development from MLT Pack Services Private Limited, which is located in Sinnar of Nasik district. We also get an official sponsorship letter from the CEO of MLT Pack Services. From Mr. Narayan Shirsagar. The main motive to design this website is to the client should get information about all the machines manufactured by the company. Basically, the company manufactures products, machines for packing up biscuit, candies, poppins, etc. This is our code folder, which includes all the files of website. Okay, URL for the website is mltpack.epg.com. Okay, the target audience for the website is client across India and outside countries. Okay, this is our home page. We have designed a uh, flex slider at starting. We also place a model play button inside which uh, inside which video is played from the YouTube channel of the company. Uh, from at the top, here is a menu bar. Uh, which include different menus to navigate from the website. Then this is a introduction about company. Uh, we use EOS animation and font awesome icons for the entire site. Uh, this is the introduction about company. These are some blocks which present the status of a company. Uh, these are some cards. These are some product cards packed by the company's machines. Then this is about company infrastructure, office departments, etc. Here we also provide a model play button. This is a product gallery, which here are some machines manufactured by the company. The labels are visible on hovering each machine, and we can zoom out view by clicking on image. This is a testimonial. Uh, these are two CEOs of MLT Pack Services Private Limited, and this is our homepage footer, which includes different links for different pages are provided here. This is a subscribers functionality. The client get a catalog on their email by filling their email ID here. We use PHP mailer library, which provides SMTP mail functionality with free of cost. Here I am filling my Gmail address and pressing button. Okay, the alert message pops up. It says e-catalog sent successfully on your email. Okay, let's check it out. Uh, from my Gmail. Now this is a new email. Okay, it works. It works successfully. The PDF is sent successfully on my email. Let's now this is a product grid which includes all the products manufactured by the company. Then for example, we select one machine. The machine page is opens and it looks like this. Here is a machine image. Here is a machine image. This is a candy packing machine. This is a expandable table which shows the machine information, and this is other some blocks which present company's progress and some information about company. uh, Here, this is an inquiry form. From here, user can send inquiry to admin mail. Okay, I fill up the form. Select any one of the machine from the list. Subject, I am filling this demo for purpose. Submit. Email sent successfully. Thanks for contacting us. Okay. Alert message says alert message appears. Okay. Let's check it out. It is sent to the Gmail or not. This is a admin Gmail. Now let's check it out where the inquiry form is submitted or not. Here the name of the client in which we fill in the form, and the inquiry form, it looks like in table format. uh, okay, from here admin can view all the details submitted by the user and able to give reply to the user which fill this form. Okay, let's check out next. Similarly, this is a complaint form. From here, user can submit their complaint to the company by filling this form. There is also a contact form by which the user can submit their contact details to the company. This is a contact us page. We embed a Google map for the company's location. These are the cards which includes contact details, and this is a contact form which is filled by the user. It works same as the inquiry form, and the form details are sent to the company's mail. Then this is a search box functionality. From here we can search any keywords. It result back something output. For example, I search biscuit. Okay, it shows me the cream biscuit packing machine. Okay, the product page is opens by using this keyword. Similarly, if we type any random keyword as an input, then it shows error page. It shows error page and says did not found any match. Instead, you can use following keywords. It shows the keywords which we can use for the searching. Similarly, there is a global presence page which includes the client location of the company in Indian states. Also, the clients from across the world is embedded in a Google map from various countries. Then there is a next page, technology, which shows the company's progress from time to time, how the company progress and it achieves success. Then next page is certificates. These are achievements won by the company through different exhibitions and events. Then there is the next page, event gallery. These are the photos from the exhibition held at Mumbai in 2015. Okay, ma'am. Other part will be explained by my team members. Now I will share some strategies that we have used for our project. This is an informative website so that there are about 70 images all over site. We use online image compressor to reduce image size so that it will help to load the site quickly, so that the total folder size is 20 MB. We have implemented SEO for our site through its various phases of development. Our site is friendly with many devices such as mobile, tablet, laptop, etc. This is a project architecture that we have followed for our project. We use different languages such as PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery for our site. We use Bootstrap framework to apply design for our site. These are some plugins which we use for our site, such as Font Awesome, Flex Slider, EOS Animation, MoveTop.js, etc. This is all about our project. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, ma'am.